Hello and welcome to Deliberately Creative. I want to welcome you to a painting experiment. I am going to be painting on this rectangular vase. It's originally from IKEA, and there's the tag right there. So that was the code number for it if anybody's interested. Okay, so now I've put all of the colors up here so that you can see what I'm going to be pouring with. I am going to pour from a big solo cup. It's a big cup. It's probably the biggest cup I've got in here. I am going to be using Decoart paints for this particular project. I'm using Decoart pouring medium, 4 parts to 1 part craft paint. So I'm using the Decoart Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl, Americana Royal Fuchsia, Americana True Blue, Glamour Dust, that's pretty, Limelight, the Dioxine Purple Americana, Snow Titanium White Americana, and Splendid Gold. And if you didn't get all those names right now, don't worry about it. I'll put them all down below in the more information box. So I have a 16 by 20 canvas that this is setting on top of, and it is on a Lazy Susan. Not because I'm going to spin it, because, oh no, I'm not going to spin this. I'm pretty excited about this. So I am going to pour a little bit of white in the bottom, but not terribly much. Pour some purple in, and then I want one of my metallics, so I think I'm going to go with this is the Peacock Pearl, and then I'm going to put the Fuchsia Pink, some Splendid Gold, the True Blue, right. Okay, here we go, guys. We are going to, ooh, this is going to be, let's see, kind of off that corner like that. Why don't we just go back and forth? Ooh, that's what we're going to do. Going to go back and forth. Get it started, and then we're going to do zigzags back and forth. I just want to get some paint oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Pouring it off these corners. That. Oh, so cool. Ooh. Oh, that's neat. How this line of it is stretching down the sides. That is so cool. I just want to try and pour a little bit more down this corner. The thing with, there we go, just get it wet so then it follows. There we go. That's what we'll do. We will just rotate this around so you can see all of the neat stuff going on. Oh, that is amazing. I'm going to just tap that tiny little spot in the corner because it will start flowing down where it's wet. And the same thing right here. I'm just going to get it wet because then the paint will start flowing down it. At least that's the theory. There. Oh, this is so neat. I need to let it continue to drip here until it's almost done dripping. When it's almost done dripping, then I can pick it up and set it over to the side. But look at this. How this, it almost looks like it was laid over the top. This is so exciting, especially since there's all of this metallic and shimmer in here too. Yeah, I am so happy with this. Whew. I was worried. I really, really was worried that this wouldn't turn out right. But, oh, that is so cool. Now, I had a really hard time finding a box that was tall enough so that I'll be able to get my fingers in underneath. Okay, so look how much it's changed in such a short period of time. This has only been about 7 minutes since I stopped pouring. Isn't that so stunning? I don't want to touch it though. I don't want to pick it up. But I need to pick it up so that I can finish this canvas. So I'm going to have to just suck it up. Okay, here we go. And touchdown. Woohoo! Okay. Made it. We've got this zoomed out as far as it goes. I'm going to... Looks like we've got enough paint on here. So I'm going to try and pour it down to here. Whoa. There. This is looking like an amazing flower garden. Look at that. So cool. See if we can get it to go all the way. I've never done a 16 by 20. This is a little unwieldy considering I'm doing this with probably not quite enough paint. I'm gonna force it and hope that it looks like it's gonna do well. It's gonna make it. Oh, that is stunning. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. That is stunning. And it's all of this metallic and purples and pinks and oh wow. I hope that you guys are enjoying this. Come back. Well, I'll be back. So exciting. All right, guys, we're back. And this is all done. I love, look at that. Look at that painting. Isn't it pretty? There we go. All of the cool things going on in this, I am absolutely enthralled. I can get lost just staring at it. So I love the effects of the metallics, the pearlescence, and the glitter. It's subtle. It's not pow in your face, but it has this beautiful sheen. The Decoart pouring medium and the Decoart paints together give you a nice satin finish. And I probably will try finding a satin. Actually, I have a spray of a clear UV satin finish. And I think that's what I'm going to finish this with, is a satin finish, because I like it. The satin will still bring the color out, but it's not going to be in your face shine. So I'm happy about that. The second part of this, or the first part of this, was the vase. And look how the colors, because remember, we poured this direction. So the colors came down off that edge and they just kept going. Remember how we had that little bit of a line? The color from the top here just kept pouring down and pulling down. This looks almost like tree rings off each of the corners. And then down, this is the other side. That's even cool. And then when you look inside, look at that. You've got all of that beautiful transfer. The colors are so thin. The paint is actually really, really thin on here. So you're getting all of the effects of what's on the outside is what's on the inside. Something that I realized after I had poured this is that I hadn't put anything to help the adhesion of the paint on the glass. So what I would do to help make sure that the paint would stay stuck to the glass, because people are saying, okay, you're pouring on glass. Did you do anything to the glass? Those of you who stayed to the end, no, I didn't do anything to the glass. And I am noticing at this point right now that it is already trying to chip off the edge. Now, to protect this and to make it so it stays, I am going to probably do some type of a paint line around the edge, and then I'm going to coat this in resin and make sure that the resin comes up over the top and kind of clips it down. It's sort of like putting it underneath of a plastic protector. But it could eventually pop off, so I don't want to depend on that. What I would do in the future is test this Americana paint adhesion medium and see if that makes a difference on how the paint sticks to the glass. It says that this is to improve the adhesion to slick surfaces. So I'm going to do a test. My next video, I'm going to do a test on glass with adhesion medium and see if it really makes a difference or not. There we go. You've got a preview of what we're going to do next. I am really happy. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. This is so much fun. As always, go out, do something creative, take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you, and I hope to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.